Hi, this is Judy at Judi in the Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how I cook brown rice in the crock pot. Now this recipe is very simple. I take 1 cup of brown rice, whether it's long grain or short grain, does not matter. 2 cups of water. I put it in the crock pot, put it on high for 2 hours, and it's done. Very simple. I'm going to show you. First things first, I take a very small pat of butter and I just kind of rub it around on the inside. I don't like using cooking sprays, although you can do that. And you don't even really have to do this, but the rice does tend to stick to the sides of the crock pot a little bit, and this helps to prevent that. And I've greased up the inside of the crock pot as much as I'm going to do it. Now I have 1 cup of brown rice, but it is a combination of short grain and long grain. I really wanted all short grain rice for something I'm going to do today, but I didn't realize I was just about out of. So I only have about 1/4 of a cup of short grain brown rice to 3/4 of a cup of long grain. As far as cooking, it won't make any difference. It might make a difference on my recipe later on, I don't know. Anyway, now's the opportunity for you to season it any way you want. I'm just going to add a little bit of Himalayan pink sea salt to that. And I have 2 cups of filtered tap water that I'm just going to add in here. And make sure all the rice is under the water. And that's it. We're going to cover it, plug it in, turn it on high, and let it go for 2 hours, and I'll show you what it looks like when it's finished. Now, to address a couple of quick FAQs while the rice is cooking. 1, how much does this make? For us, it yields 4 generous servings. It's just me and my husband, and when we eat rice, we eat a pretty fair amount of it at one time. No, that's not the only thing on our plate, but we do like generous servings of rice when we eat it. So for us, it's a total of 4 servings, generous servings. The next question is, can you increase the recipe? Can you double the recipe? In a word, no. I have tried doubling it in the crock pot with 2 cups of rice, 4 cups of water, and it did not work. The rice came out very mushy. So what you could try is 2 cups of rice and 3.5 cups of water. And it should not come out as mushy. I do not know how long it will take to cook because I haven't done this. If I do, I'll do a follow-up video to this one and let you know. In the meantime, if someone out there decides to give it a try, let us know how it works for you. Any other questions, post them in the comments below, and I'll be glad to address them as I can. I'll get back with you when the rice is cooked. This rice has cooked, and you can see it's just beautifully fluffy and just good to go. And to satisfy curiosity, I'm going to take it out of here and measure it so we know exactly how much it made. Alright, I measured it and it's made right at 3 cups of rice. So I think it's a really easy way to cook rice, just like the other ways I've shown online. This is great if you've got a lot of things to do around supper time. You got a little bit of time ahead where you can put it in the crock pot and just leave it alone and let it go. I will do a part 2 to this when I can, and I will try to increase the recipe for those of you who need to cook more at one time. I'm going to try the 2 cups of rice to 3.5 cups of water, and I'll find out how long it's going to take. I'll let you know when it's up and running. This is Judi at Judi in the Kitchen. I hope this helps. Have a great day.